Did you know that particles are just like students after class? Always moving, never staying still, and ready to scatter at any moment. Good day, my dear viewers. I'm Kuya Ems, and welcome to Chocolate Lapis. This is episode 5 of our 20-part chemistry series in Agham synthesis. Today, we're zooming into something we don't normally see: the particle theory of matter. In 400 BCE, a Greek philosopher named Democritus proposed that all things are made of tiny parts that cannot be divided any further. He called them atomos, which literally means cannot be cut any further. Centuries later, in the 1800s, John Dalton built on this idea and explained that all matter is made of small and indivisible particles. He called them atoms. We'll dig deeper into what atoms are made of in future episodes, but today, let's focus on how matter behaves based on particle theory. The particle theory is a model that helps us understand how matter behaves based on the presence and movement of tiny particles. And it's more than just a list. It's the foundation of nearly everything we study in chemistry. First principle: all matter is made up of tiny particles. Whether you're holding a rock, a glass of water, or just breathing air, everything is made of atoms and molecules. They're so small we can't see them, but they're the building blocks of everything. Principle number 2: there's space between the particles. Even solids aren't one solid block. There's space between particles even if we can't see it. This space is much larger in gases and tighter in solids, but it's always there. Ever wondered why perfume spreads through a room? Because air has gaps where the gas particles of perfume have space to move and travel. Principle number 3: particles are always moving. Particles never sit still. Even in ice, they're vibrating in place. Their motion depends on temperature and state. But complete stillness? That doesn't exist on a particle level. Principle number 4: higher temperature equals faster particle motion. As a substance heats up, its particles move faster. That's called kinetic energy, the energy of motion. Examples: when soup steams or oil starts popping, it's the particles gaining energy and moving like crazy. Principle number 5: there are forces of attraction between particles. Particles pull on each other. There's an invisible attraction happening all the time. In solids, this pull is very strong. In gases, it's very weak. The attraction is why objects have structure, or not. We see proof of particle theory all the time, even without a microscope. Some real-world examples: why does the scent of perfume spread across a room? It's because its gas particles move and travel through the air. Why does hot coffee cool down over time? It's because its particles transfer energy to the surrounding air. And why does a cold glass collect water droplets? It's because water vapor in the air condenses when it touches the cooler surface. Particle theory is one of the backbones of chemistry. It explains why matter behaves the way it does: moving, changing, reacting. These 5 principles are your gateway to bigger things, like chemical reactions, bonding, and atomic structure. All that's coming up next. If you had fun or learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss out on our fun new episodes. We've got more adventures coming your way. History, science, and math, all with a twist of nerdy fun. I'm Kuya Ems, and I'll see you in the next one.